Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to the channel. As you know that today we are going to start with question number 13. Actually, we are going to start with the leftover part from the last video. So let us start with question number 13, and before that I would like to remind you all to subscribe to the channel and also to not miss any other video, and if you have missed any video then please go back and watch those videos as well. Okay, because these are important to all the aspirants of NET, SET, PGT, or any other sociology based entrance examination. Okay, let's start with question number 13. Rewards and punishments associated with the role expectations are called norms, values, sanctions, mores. This is a part of basic concepts of sociology, and here we are discussing 2022 NET paper, as you know. The answer is sanctions. Okay, so sanctions can also be called coercive measures sometimes, and sanctions can be both formal and informal. So, sanctions are mainly mechanisms of social control. And as sociologists, we consider sanctions as a form of external control. So, it can be both positive and negative. Sanctions can be both positive and negative. I hope that is clear. Question number 14. The most systematic general theory of cultural reproduction is given by Karl Mannheim, Pierre Bourdieu, Auguste Comte, Emily Durkheim. Here it is talking about how culture is reproduced across generations. Okay, and the answer to this is Pierre Bourdieu. Question number 15. Who has suggested 6 dimensions of communalism? Assimilationist, Welfarist, Retreatist, Retaliatory Separatist, Secessionist. The answer is T.K. Oman. This is a very famous question as well, so it was pretty easy. This is a question from research methodology portion. Question number 16. Examples of nominal measures are gender, religious affiliation, birthplace, social classes, intellectual sophistication. Now you have to choose the correct answer from the options given below, or the group of options: D and E only, A, B, C only, B, C, D only, A, B, D only. The answer is option 3, which is B, C, D only. Okay. Now let's just know a little bit about nominal scale. So nominal scale is used to name the categories within the variables. Okay. So we use this in our research definitely, and these are categorical, and those categories are not ranked. Okay, remember that this is the difference with ordinal. All right, It's not ranked. Nominal measures are not ranked, okay? Or the categories here, nominal scale, are not ranked, okay? Question number 17 is quite interesting and is quite easy. An Italian consuming paneer tikka in Rome and an Indian consuming pizza in Varanasi is an example of globalization of food, globalization of commodities, globalization of culture, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Question number 18. Which is the largest form of urban life today? Edge city, megalopolis, metropolis, none of the above. Basically, it's asking which is the biggest in size. And definitely the answer is option 2, which is megalopolis. Is also called super city, and it is an urban area which is larger than metropolis. So metropolis will not be the answer here. Option 2, megalopolis, is the answer. I hope that is clear. Question number 19. The Me Too movement, or the hashtag Me Too, is a part of which wave of feminism? If you're aware of current affairs, then this is easy for you to answer. And it is also an easy question. First wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. The answer is fourth wave. Question 20. Dash is an approach originally developed by Dorothy Smith. She's a Canadian sociologist, remember. Developed by Dorothy Smith, 1978, to better understand women's everyday experiences by discovering the power relations that shape those experiences. Read it very carefully. It is a research approach to study women's experiences. Okay? Case study, content analysis, institutional ethnography, participatory action research. The answer is institutional ethnography. The name of our book is only Institutional Ethnography, Sociology for People. Moving on to the next question. Question number 21. Who has written the book World, Revolution and Family? William Goody, David Cooper, Michael Anderson, Ronald Fletcher. The answer is William Goody. Question number 22. This is a quotation. Let's read it. Cultural identities are shaped by a complex set of factors which are associated with the process of evolution of cultural practices and beliefs of people in the course of their historical experiences. Who stated this? T.K. Uman, Yogendra Singh, E.B. Taylor, none of the above. The answer is Yogendra Singh. Next, we have question number 23. What is the appropriate term to describe a woman marrying the brother of her deceased husband? A woman marrying the brother of her late husband. Okay. Sororate, levirate, amitate, avunculate. The answer to this is levirate. You can easily cancel the last two options because this is talking about something else. And sororate is marrying your deceased wife's sister. All right. Amitate is when your father's sister is given a special role. And avunculate, which is option number 4, it talks about your mother's brother's relation with his sister's children, like the relation with our mama. Okay, I hope that is clear. Question number 24. Production characterized by a large number of standardized products made by highly specialized workers is known as factory production, capitalist production, mass production, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. We have assertion and reasoning in question number 25. Given below are two statements, one is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. Okay, so let's read it. Assertion says there is an increasing prevalence of borderless diseases because reason is there is an increase in global travel and increasing rate of human migration. In the light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true, but R is false. A is false, but R is true. Here A is assertion and R is reasoning, as you can see. The answer is option 1, which is both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A, which means that there is an increasing prevalence of borderless diseases. Why? Because the reason which is mentioned here is definitely true. Okay? Due to the increase in global travel and increasing rate of human migration. Alright? The reason is true and it is the correct explanation of A. So the option is option number 1, which is both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Alright, thank you everyone.